Hi guys, we're here to do our AHRM assignment. So the scenario that we've chosen is that we've completed an interview process for our candidate Deepak for the sales manager post, and we'll be discussing about how we're going to serve different forms of justice to the candidate through compensation and benefits. My team members are Anusha, Sushma, Janvi, and Shruti, and myself. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
Okay. So the agenda for today's meeting is that we'll be discussing about the compensation and benefits that we're providing for our new candidate, Deepak, for the sales manager post. Over to Janvi.
Thank you, Hima. Firstly, I would like to mention each one of you that this must be taken into consideration and have to be treated with dignity. If there's anything you would like to convey here, do explain your perspective and your point of view. Another point here is to make sure there's a fair explanation given while the whole compensation discussion which is taking place today. We expect no bias regardless who's referred as the new hire, as the hire is a referral from the team member of the HR department. Extra care must be taken regardless the fairness while settling the overall compensation. Along with this, we as a team should make sure there is enough motivation and satisfaction to the employee with respect to his profile, pay, as well as towards the organization as a whole. I believe there's no bias here from our end of the new hire, of any other hire, even if it's a person or your relative or a friend.
I'm glad you mentioned this, Janvi. It is a mandate for us not to have any bias so that we function smoothly on the overall aspect.
Yes, such factors become a crucial for smooth functioning of a team as well as the overall functioning of the organization. We need to set the compensation in such a way that his experience and talent and his value is given the worth. The employee should feel that the pay matches to his level of work knowledge. This in turn motivates the employee performance.
That's a brilliant work done, Janvi. So here, considering the fact that our company is an FMCG, we need to understand that the profile of sales manager has more pressure, and keeping that in mind, the quality of the work should not be neglected that we deliver to our customer, because customer satisfaction and customer service is also very important to us. Hence, we will not pay the sales manager based on the extra hours of work done. However, we have a standard set of hours to meet the pay needs. After very in-depth research conducted by my team, we were able to benchmark the pay to 15 lakhs per annum, and this is for the managers across our industry. Well, this again varies as per the experiences and the grade of each individual that he belongs to. Uh, Keeping in mind the current situation of pandemic, we will definitely our sales manager will definitely have the new challenges that's coming about him, and considering all the aspects and challenges, we have decided that we will be paying our sales manager 20% and above over the benchmark.
So,
Uh,
Sushma, why is that you've considered a 17 lakh package for our sales manager for this post?
So what we've done here is my team has conducted a research, and according to the research, they have found out that the average amount of salary being paid for the managers at that level with the same grade that we are appointing our sales manager, it comes about to 15 lakhs. But since our budget has been increased this year, regardless of the situation, and we wanted to add an extra edge to increase our revenue, because again, customer satisfaction comes first in for us. So here about we have, that's why we have given a 20% and above for the sales manager.
Okay, that's a great initiative that you've conducted the research, and also of considering the 20% hike is also a very good initiative that you've taken.
Thank you. Which brings me to consider his responsibility will be higher than any other manager, because we are also planning to increase our sales team as a whole. Also, pay structure isn't everything. Apart from the short-term incentive, we are concentrating in the team-based performance in achieving sales for bonuses and rewards. Most importantly, this time we're also enabling a long-term incentive for the sales manager considering his post. That will be the stock option we'll be giving him. This way, we will be paying for their future potential for the organization.
Yeah, that would be a very motivating factor for the employee as well, do well with its performance.
I was happy to see all the processes that you guys have been talking about, taking that into consideration. So, from the initial stage, a good JD was presented, and all the steps of recruitment was conducted. All the required steps are followed to set the compensation and benefits that match the profile and employee. We even had a valid discussion, which is the part of the process in order to add value to the compensation that will be offered. Step by steps action will be taken to create and communicate what the company is willing to offer the candidate as well. Proper reward choices are discussed and matched to the profile, which will motivate him to perform better. Considering all the points, we would like to proceed to the next process, will be to communicate the same to the employee and check his satisfaction or opinion on the same.
Okay. Shruti, so basically, I understand how you are planning to communicate the overall process to the employee, but we are also, I would like to mention that already a part of the communication that we had to communicate regarding the salary has been communicated in the JD. So we had mentioned as to what is his profile and what we are expecting him as an organization from the sales head. This has been communicated to a basic extent in the JD, and we've also mentioned the range of compensation that we will be providing as a company for this particular profile. However, there is a meeting that we have set up with the team lead in order to give him a complete overview of his profile and what are all the challenges that he might come up as a team, as a company, whatever all challenges we have faced in prior to years. All of this will be explained to him, and what are the set of what are the targets that he needs to meet will also be explained to him. This will be done after the induction program that will be conducted by the HR department. So in the induction program that we are conducting, we would like to mention like how Sushma explained about the various salary structure, what are the benefits that we as a company are providing. All of this will be explained. Along with this, all long-term and short-term benefits that we as a compensation team want to provide, are planning to provide him. This will also be explained in detail. It will not only be done through communicating him directly, but a mail also will be sent with all these details. However, as you all know, that all these information are already available on our employee job portals, employee portals profiles that we have. And we have this time also created a video to you as a user manual for in order to check all the information regarding the HR process, even with the compensation, how it has been how it has been divided, like the PF, EPF, how to log in through the EPF portal, their USN numbers. All of this has been taken care.
Okay.
Thank you, Anusha, for giving your insights into this. So, also to bring to your notice that the management has come to notice that in another scenario, an L1 level, lower level HR, when conducting an interview, has spoken very rudely and inappropriately to the candidate while trying to convince them to accept a lower package than what the candidate actually was expecting. So this is not acceptable by the management, because hurting someone else's emotions is not an acceptable thing. And also we need to work on our employees' soft skills. So I think the training and development team needs to work on a training for the employees with respect to soft skills. Yeah, so I think we can close the meeting for today. It was very good to hear the insights from all of you, and that we've decided the compensation and benefits for our candidate Deepak. We can go forward with sending in the offer letter and the compensation. Thank you all.
Thank you.
For
Thank you.